Jekyll and Hyde the musical, which, if you're familiar with the show or the book that it's based on, is about a man who gives himself multiple personality disorder with science. And the song is called Reputation because it's Jekyll finding everything fun and Hyde from making done. 18 to do. There we go.
My memory card gets old.
Lost in the darkness, silence surrounds me. Once there was morning, now endless night. I will find the answer. I'll never desert her. I promise you this. Till the day that I do you really think that I would ever let you go? Do you think I ever set you free? If you do, I'm sad to say it simply isn't so. You will never get away from me. Face in the mirror, I close my eyes and disappear. I watch your face when you face in the mirror. As long as you live, I'll still be here. All that you are is the end of a nightmare. All that you are is the dying scream. After tonight, I shall end this demon dream. This is not a dream, my friend, and it will never end. This one is the nightmare that goes on. No matter what you may pretend, and you'll flourish long after you're gone. Soon I will die and my silence will hide you. You cannot choose but to lose control. You can't control me, I live deep inside you. Each day you'll feel me devour your soul. I don't need you to survive like you need me. I'll become whole as you dance with death, and I'll rejoice as you breathe your final breath. See it? Oh, now it's time to die. No one I, only you. If I die, you'll die too. You'll die in me, and I'll be you. Dare you hide, set me free. Can't you see you worry? No! Deep inside, I am you. You. Never, never, yes, forever! God damn you,